everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I am doing an unboxing today on my brand new catback exhaust for my 2019 Subaru WRX. When I was looking for an exhaust, I was contemplating on dual or straight one single exhaust. I heard a lot about, the single exhaust being louder, and I heard a lot about the dual exhaust looking better because of the fact that when you buy a 2019 WRX, the exhaust is dual. To people that look at the car, they see the car as, oh, it has dual exhaust. But anyways, I wasn't really looking for looks more than sound. So I've heard a lot about this exhaust right here. It's Tomei Expreme. I'm very excited to put it on my car and install it. I'll do another video on that. Let's unbox this thing and see what we got. And there you have it. There is one, and this is a titanium steel alloy. It looks great. I mean, the thing is smooth, very smooth, as you can see. The welds are very, very nice. That looks very, very well made. I just can't wait to hear it, to tell you the truth. And here is part. See how many pieces it comes in. This is piece number 2, and it's very lightweight. This is unbelievably light. This titanium, I just love the craftsmanship of this exhaust. I've seen a lot of exhausts, I've had a lot of cars. That is an impressive piece of work. The hardware, you got your clamps, your rubber for keep it quiet. You like to see that. Got your gaskets, springs, bolts, nuts. Here brings you a little paste and a tool. The kit seems to be pretty complete as far as what you need to put it together. It even comes with an emblem for your vehicle. Oh, look at, we got it. We actually have stickers as well. That this most definitely I will put in on a window or something. And let's see, lastly we have, this thing is big, guys. Wait till you see this. This is lovely. I can't wait to open it. I did not think that this would be this big. I mean, it looks like a cannon. No lie. Ridiculously huge. So here we go. Oh, and wow. There's nothing I can say more than wow. This thing is so beautiful. It's just sick, lovely. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. That says Tomei right there. It says Expreme TI right there on the tip. It has a burnt tip, including to the beginning of the muffler. It's burnt as well, blue. And look at that. That is huge, ridiculous. I love it. But this is where I was telling you that I heard of this cracking here, like breaking off. I don't know if it was because of the person, excessively beating up on the car, or they hit something or whatever, but it seems to be defective here. I mean, I was just going for the sound. And I heard a lot about this exhaust, and I'm gonna try it out. I'll definitely let you know if in the future something changes. I'm so happy right now. I can't wait to put it on the car and turn it on. So there you go. There you have it, guys. The Tomei Expreme TI single exhaust. I've actually been thinking of maybe buying another one and making a dual exhaust, but let's see how this goes first. Anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. I will put links as far as to where I bought it and who I bought it from. And they happen to be like the only place that had it, because I was looking around online and I couldn't find someone that stocked it, like had it on hand. And I believe Rally Sport. Let me see. Oh, we're not done yet actually. Hold on a minute. We have more. So this is your silencer, and you definitely need this at night if it's as loud as they say it is. This is your silencer. 3 bolts, slides right into the rear. Looking at this silencer, I've never seen one built with like a lot of quality, and this whole exhaust pretty much has surprised me. It has another attachment here that you can actually take off. Either way, it's made very precise. Has a lot of good precision, craftsmanship. And we have one more piece, and then I could go put it on the car. And this is gonna be the hanger for the canister. Well, that's it. I hope you like it. Like my video, subscribe. So I will see you during installation.